Optimizing model inference with KServe. Best practices explained. Today, we uncover the essential techniques for enhancing model serving operations, from autoscaling to security considerations. Join us to master these skills for optimal performance and efficiency. Welcome to our deep dive into optimizing model inference with KServe. Did you know that optimizing inference can dramatically improve both performance and resource efficiency in your machine learning pipelines? In this video, we'll explore the best practices for maximizing your model serving operations using KServe and Kubernetes. From configuring autoscaling to leveraging GPU support, we'll cover a range of techniques to enhance your setup. Whether you're new to KServe or looking to refine your approach, this guide will equip you with the insights needed to optimize effectively. One of the key benefits of using KServe for model serving is its robust autoscaling capabilities. Autoscaling allows you to adjust the number of running instances based on the current demand, ensuring that you're using resources efficiently without compromising on performance. In Kubernetes, the horizontal pod autoscaler, HPA, is a pivotal tool that helps manage scaling by monitoring CPU usage, memory, and custom metrics. With KServe, you can configure the HPA to automatically scale your model servers up or down, depending on the traffic they receive. This dynamic management not only optimizes resource use but also reduces costs, making it a critical aspect of any efficient machine learning deployment. We'll walk through the steps to set up autoscaling, including how to define your scaling policies and integrate them with KServe's model serving capabilities. GPUs have become essential for high-performance model inference, providing significant speedups over traditional CPU processing. In this section, we'll explore how KServe enables GPU support, allowing you to leverage the power of GPUs to enhance your model serving operations. Configuring GPU resources in KServe involves selecting the right hardware and integrating it with your Kubernetes cluster for optimal performance. We'll guide you through the setup process, from choosing the appropriate GPUs to configuring your model servers to utilize them effectively. By the end of this segment, you'll understand how to harness GPU power to boost your model's inference speed and efficiency.
Request batching is a powerful technique to improve throughput by processing multiple inference requests simultaneously. KServe provides built-in support for batching, allowing you to configure batch size and timing to suit your workload. By batching requests, you can reduce the overhead associated with processing each request individually, leading to higher throughput and better utilization of resources. However, it's important to balance batch size with latency requirements, as larger batches can delay individual request responses. We'll delve into the configuration options available in KServe, helping you set up effective batching strategies that enhance your model serving efficiency.
Monitoring performance metrics is crucial for tuning your model serving operations. KServe offers a range of metrics that provide insights into how your models are performing, including latency, throughput, and resource usage. By setting up comprehensive monitoring tools, you can track these metrics in real time and identify areas for improvement. We'll walk you through the key metrics to focus on and how to configure monitoring in your KServe setup. With this information, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions that continuously enhance your model performance and resource efficiency. Latency is a critical factor in delivering timely predictions, especially for real-time applications. Reducing inference latency involves optimizing both your model architecture and the underlying infrastructure. In this section, we'll examine various strategies to minimize latency, such as refining your model for faster execution, improving network and hardware configurations, and utilizing caching mechanisms to prefetch data. Each technique offers different trade-offs, so it's essential to consider your specific application needs when implementing these strategies. By the end of this segment, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to achieve low-latency inference with KServe.
A/B testing is a valuable method for comparing different model versions to determine which performs best in real-world scenarios. KServe provides tools for setting up A/B tests, allowing you to evaluate multiple models simultaneously and gather data on their performance. By analyzing test results, you can make informed decisions about which model to deploy in production, ensuring continuous improvement and robust evaluation processes. We'll guide you through the steps to configure A/B testing in KServe, interpret the outcomes, and apply the insights to refine your models effectively.
Security is a paramount concern when serving models, as any breach can have significant implications for data integrity and privacy. In this section, we'll delve into the security considerations you should keep in mind when deploying models with KServe. From understanding common threats to implementing robust authentication and authorization protocols, we'll cover the essential steps to safeguarding your model inference operations. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of securing data both in transit and at rest, as well as the need for regular security audits and updates to stay ahead of potential vulnerabilities.
As we conclude our exploration of optimizing model inference with KServe, let's recap the key techniques we've covered today. From configuring autoscaling and leveraging GPU support to implementing request batching and enhancing security, Each strategy is vital for achieving optimal performance and resource efficiency. Remember, continuous improvement is crucial in the ever-evolving field of machine learning, so keep exploring and refining your approach. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our related content for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.